This is the home inventory site. The designers for this project were Charles Buxton, Ed Espinoza, Jeffrey Soriano, and myself, Ryan Peterson. I'm going to be walking you through our site and exhibiting the features and capabilities that it has. The overarching purpose of this site is to be able to build a comprehensive inventory for your home. This will prove useful in case of natural disaster or any kind of accident that befalls your home. Having a cataloged list of your items, certain attributes associated with those items, any kind of warranties or policies that you may be able to supply to an insurance company or whoever else. So let's go ahead and get started here. I already have a login for this page, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. If you didn't, you'd go through the sign up page here. So we'll go ahead and log in. The landing page for our site, as you can see, lists the location, items, and all the attributes associated with these items. Here in the locations tab, you'll be able to generate as many locations as you'd like throughout your home. I already have a bunch of locations already listed here, but adding a new location is as simple as clicking this button down here. Once you generate a location, you can generate items within that location. Here I have a car already generated. If you click on the car and go to the info, this is all info that I provided within a form to generate for this car. That will be done here when you generate that specific item. So we have a nice display of information associated with that item. You're able to catalog any photos that you would like of the specific item. Currently only have one for this vehicle, but you can provide as many photos as you would like for any of the items within your home. You can also provide a receipt for any of these items as well. When you fill out the receipt form, you generate a date, a receipt number, a purchase from, a price of the item, as well as tax associated with that price. You're also able to upload an image of the receipt as well. And that's all done through a form that looks like this. And you can update this information at any time as well. You can also upload files associated with an item. These files can be anything from warranties or policies, or maybe a bill of sale or anything that you'd like to list in accordance with that item. Currently, I've uploaded a insurance certificate for this car. All of these items can be modified or added to through the use of these tabs down here. If I no longer need this insurance certificate, to get rid of it, it's simply as easy as clicking this trash can icon down here. So you're able to generate as many locations as you'd like throughout your house. Some examples I've already listed are here. Even things outside of your house like a shed or anything that you would like. You can also list as many items as you want throughout those locations. You can be as comprehensive as you would like, or just list items of great value to you. Here we have our home page. Within the home page, we have a nice picture of our home and any home information associated with that home. I've already inputted information, but if you'd like to modify that information or change it in any way, it's as simple as clicking this icon and keeping all that information up to date. Or if you change homes, you can also modify the home that you're displaying and cataloging your items throughout. Here we have a maintenance schedule. Currently, I've listed get the hedges trimmed as one of my maintenance items, but you're able to generate as many items as you would like here as well. Those will be listed and generated here. Once that item is complete, you'll be able to get rid of that item. Or if you'd like to modify that item, maybe change the date that the plumber is coming, you can do that as well. Down here we have an assessment history table. Here you'll be able to generate assessments of your home. These will include the date the assessment happened, the land value, structure value, and total value of your home and property. Those will all be listed here. Here in our album section, you'll be able to, it's a nice catalog of all the items you have within your home that you've provided a photo for. So it gives this nice layout of all the different items. Same with receipts, all the receipts you've uploaded, you'll be able to see here. In our policies tab, you'll be able to generate any policies or warranties, or really any similar type documents that you'd like to catalog. Here I have a roof warranty listed. When you generate a policy, you'll be able to generate an issuer for that warranty or policy, the date that warranty or policy began, a policy number, the type of policy, and any contact info you'd like to list in association with that warranty or policy. Here you'll also be able to upload any kind of file or documentation associated with that warranty or policy. And that's as simple as clicking this upload file down here, like with all of our forms, and just doing a simple drag or drop, or listing or being able to pull a file from your computer. As well, with all of our items and locations and policies, you'll be able to modify and delete any of these as well. If I no longer have use for my flood policy here, it's as simple as clicking this trash can icon down here, and I can get rid of that. As well, if I'd like to modify any of these policies, it's as simple as clicking here, and you will be able to modify that policy. So this is a quick rundown of our website. Again, the overarching goal of this website is to be able to catalog and inventory everything within your home and on your property for your own purposes, or maybe for the purposes of an insurance company or whoever else would like that information. The site makes it easy to store all this information in one place, to be able to catalog comprehensively the info of each item, any photos that you'd like to list of those items, and receipts and files associated with those items, as well with policies. I hope you enjoyed walking through this app with us. We had a lot of fun building it, and we can see a lot of practical use for this application. And thank you very much.